Hello, Rachel here from Other Ways to Walk. On a sort of tea time walk in the woods, just found a nice sit spot for 5 minutes now. It feels fairly quiet. I know this is quite a popular dog walking part of the woods, but it's peaceful for now. And so after my walk yesterday, when I found myself thinking about gratitude and being aware of the sense of being grateful for the good things in our lives, I've had some more thoughts about that, and brought that feeling with me again today on my walk. So at the moment I'm feeling gratitude just for the fact that I can be here, just as the sun's starting to dip towards the horizon in this beautiful landscape. I've got warm clothes, a full belly. I did a bit of reading about gratitude in this amazing book, Mindfulness, 25 Ways to Live in the Moment Through Art, from Christophe Andre. I thought rather than me explaining it, I'm going to I brought it with me so I can tell you something from this book. So he talks about happiness as an active awareness, an active thing to do. And so just being aware of moments of well-being and having your mind open so that you can savour it. I'm really enjoying the just gentle drifting movement of the very uppermost, tiniest branches of the trees, all in sync, just sort of swaying together. There's just one little patch of sunlight on the tip of one tree that's sort of pinky gold, and all the rest in silhouette against this pale bluey grey sky. It's really beautiful. So just savouring the moments as they arrive that bring us an opportunity to experience happiness. And in this book he gives a quote from someone whose name I can't pronounce. It might be Raymond Rodigue. Happiness, I knew you only by the sound you made as you left. And I just thought that was really witty and clever, the idea that we're not very well equipped to actually notice happiness and really feel it and inhabit it in a wholehearted way. We tend to notice it when it's gone. So I'm going to really work this week on savouring any fleeting sense of happiness. And if you savour every moment, then I guess the impact of it becomes stronger. So from this book, I just want to read you this quote. Without awareness of the present, we will long for past moments of happiness that we didn't know how to feel at the time. This also happens when we're sad or worried. We stop living in the present and our mind remains trapped in uncertainty about the future or regrets over the past. And when this happens, we can only hope or weep for happiness. We can no longer feel it. He also talks about the concept of all the slight brief moments. Our life is only made of moments. So if we take the effort to notice all the moments that are really nice, it's like a life dusted with happy moments. It was almost just like the trees kind of waved in agreement with that as I said it. There was a lifting. So I often have a sense of the trees sort of breathing with me when I'm outside. I'm going to turn you around now so that you can enjoy the view without me. There's something really lovely about just finding complete stillness in myself, in my body, when I'm outside, and then starting to tune in to all the different types of movement around. So in this really dry leaf litter, oak leaves, I can just see little flickers, little bristles, leaves just slightly rocking, they're not lifting. And then resting back down into stillness. I love that kind of curled, papery sound they make as they brush against each other. On the way into the woods today, I walked through lots of holly and really noticed the really kind of dry scratchiness of the sounds of really tough leaves. And in a few weeks we'll be hearing the sounds of the leaves in the trees. But for now they're still tightly curled away inside buds. So as you're watching and listening to this scene of the woodland, you might just want to take the time for yourself and again take 2 or 3 deeper breaths and just really enjoy the sense of slowly breathing out, relaxing, letting go of anything that you might be holding. maybe you can even feel that sensation through your throat, your shoulders, maybe your belly, dissolving, just letting the tension flow down as you breathe out, letting go. Letting go. I'm just going to read something now from another book I brought with me today, a book of nature poems. The Infinite. I've always liked this lonely hill, crowned with a thicket cutting from view, so great a part of the far horizon. Sitting and gazing out, I can imagine interminable spaces beyond, supernatural silences, and that profound calm in which the heart comes near to terror. And as I hear the wind flutter the branches around me, I weigh its voice against that infinite silence and summon up eternity, the dead seasons and the present one alive with sound. And so, in this immensity, my thoughts drown, and I find how sweet it is to shipwreck in that sea. That's by Giacomo Leopardi.